Hello everyone, I'm making this video in order to show you guys the Hauck Shopper, if that's the right way to say it. It's a travel system that consists of 3 pieces. So first off, you've got the stroller, you've got the car seat, and you've got a diaper bag. So first off, starting with the stroller, and I decided to make a video to show you this stroller because it's so versatile. You can use it in so many different ways. So first off, you can remove this. I hope I can record the video using one hand. This is how it looks on the inside. It has a padding like any other stroller here. So the versatility of this system comes from different things. So first off, you can turn this into what we call a summer stroller. I'm not really sure if that's the correct or accurate name to say, but a summer stroller is basically when you can remove this part and it's so much easier to carry around. So you can do exactly this in that stroller. You can remove this part right here by just pulling it back. Do you see this? Do you see this kind of nail here? So you put it in and you press hard, and to remove it you just do the opposite. So I remove this side. Now one side to go. Again, that is the part, and I just pulled it out and just removed right away. So next thing to do is just some Velcro pieces on the back. After I remove them, here we've got the stroller. We've got here what we now call a summer stroller. It's very portable, it's very lightweight, and it's very, airy and breathing. So the next thing I will show you guys the car seat and how it pops into the system. So the first way you can do that, I hope I can do this one-handed again. Okay, so the way you can do this is that you can put your car seat on top of this padding that already exists, or you can remove this padding here. However, I didn't really figure out how to do that. So I will show you how to install the car seat without actually removing the original padding that comes with it. So this stroller comes with, do you see this hook right there? This hook comes like that. Your stroller will be like that. And then you would have to take it out on both sides of the stroller. We have one on the other side. So we take it out and we make sure that the car seat is resting on this part right here, and we kind of do you see that? We kind of push it inside, that's it. So if I can show you, there's a cylinder part here which goes inside the hook. Now I cannot remove it from the stroller. Let me show you guys how this looks from a distance. This is exactly how it looks, the car seat. Now you can treat your car seat as, it's the main part of the stroller, as it's the stroller, as if you can remove it, turn it around for your baby to look at you when you're pushing. So that is that. Of course, if you're using this during the winter, I told you guys that this is kind of a summer stroller right now. We can use this cover here which goes over the car seat, which will be definitely hard to put on, but just let me try. I will pause for a second. I will get this up. This is the car seat handle. So now I got the car seat handle right up. I will now put this cover right on top of it. And then I'm gonna take those pieces here and hang them around the car seat to make sure the cover does not slip. This is going to be a little bit tricky because it's kind of tight. Okay. Okay guys, so I finally managed to get this kind of cover on the car seat here. Some car seats do come with this built-in, kind of like the stroller's piece there. It just folds back and up, but this one is not. This one is a cover. So if you want one more like this one, you'd have to get another car seat, okay? So that one is just a cover. Okay, so if I was showing you guys if you were, you would like to use it as like winter stroller, or is it safe enough for the baby during winter? So yes, of course, if you use the cover, if you put back the strollers, I'm not sure what to call this, kind of like an umbrella thingy. So. Okay, and it's so difficult with one hand, but what I need to do is put this right on there. And here, it will actually look something like this. So now I'm going to press that piece in. Okay, I had to use both hands to kind of press it in, and again, we're going to want to do the same thing on the other side. Do you see what's happening here? So that is the piece that we want to put over this. I used both hands again to kind of click it in place. Now, the baby does remain exposed from this part. This is why I decided to use the car seat as a winter stroller, because I decided that it gives more coverage, you know. So you're going to use this Velcro thing to secure kind of the back of the stroller right there. Oh, by the way, this stroller, the stroller's back does go up and down. If I do this, you see that? Then it will sleep. Then I can do the opposite. I would just pull that and it will stand right up, and then I will put this back on top. So again, I'm gonna find a Velcro pieces here that I will tape under to secure the bed, or you know, now it's a bed basically. 3 Velcro pieces. Now it's all secured. So looking at the whole thing, the only place where, you know, the baby is in the car seat, and this adds more coverage, and then the only place that the air can get through is actually this part. So, you know, I'm just telling you to decide for yourself whether this is going to be the suitable stroller for you or not. This may be more of a summer stroller, but it's gonna work just as fine in areas where it's not super cold. I believe it can work very well in areas that are cold, but you know, I'm just telling you the things that you should know. So if you can secure it with a blanket inside or anything, it's super cool. I intend to do that myself. If you would like one that is totally sealed from here, it's totally your choice, but you know, I decided to give you a glimpse or kind of a short review of how it looks like. So now I will show you guys how to remove the car seat, and it's very easy. This part where the hook is where the hook you know, hooks to the car seat. So underneath there's a pedal that you press, and it totally removes your car seat easily, but you will have to do it on both sides together and kind of lift your car seat up. Next, with this travel system, you get a cool diaper bag. Inside is a changing pad that is kind of very small for a baby. Only just fits a month-old newborn. It's very thin, as you can tell. It's very thin. If your baby moves around, probably will go somewhere else, you know, like make other parts dirty, or even move to a dirty table if you're somewhere else, not at your home or something. You get this zip bag inside as well. Here you have a front pocket, you have two side pockets, and inside you have two pockets on here, and maybe other two pockets, elastic pockets inside. That's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video useful. I know it wasn't the most professional thing, but you know, it was for the purpose of helping you decide if this is the kind of stroller you want or not. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and bye.